Hi, and welcome to section 2, copying file to multiple sources. We're going to have a look at designing a solution in this video. So specifically, we'll look at describing the problem and designing a solution for it. So here we have a quick diagram of the solution. Now, a little bit more about the problem. So imagine you have a server estate and you have an application that you maintain across the server estate, and an application has a configuration file. You need to release that file fairly often, let's say once a day. You receive an updated file from the developers and you need to release it to the production estate. Now, if you have a handful of servers, you can copy it across just like that. What if you have 100, 500 or 1,000 servers? That's an automation solution, right? Now, it does need to support a few things. So if you think about it, you don't want to override a file if the destination is newer than what you have. You want to know why is it newer and you want to investigate. Okay, so let's start with a solution. So first thing we would do is we would read a list of servers from a file that you create, servers from your estate. Now, what we do is we would copy file to one server, to the first server in the list. Before we do that, we would check if the remote file is newer. Now, if it is newer, we would simply ignore it and we would repeat the process with the next server. If it is older though, we would override it. Okay, that's nice and simple, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Hopefully, at the end of this video, you're going to have a tool that you can use in your production environment. So we described the problem and we came up with a quick design for a solution.